I wanted to give my honest review on this tea kettle I've been using every single day ever since I got it. It heats up really quickly and I love that it automatically shuts off once the water is ready. One thing I really like is that it keeps the water warm for a while, almost like a thermos, so I don't always have to reboil it if I go back for another cup. The removable filter is easy to clean and the cordless design makes pouring super convenient. The 360 degrees base lets you place it back from any angle. Also, the retro design is honestly so cute and looks beautiful sitting on my counter. It's one of those appliances I use every day, and I would definitely recommend if you're looking for something that's both practical and looks great in your kitchen.